So, good day everyone. For today's video, I'm going to share you paano mag-apply bilang Shopee Affiliate Ambassador. So, wag nating patagalin na, mag-start na tayo. So, first, paano mag-apply? So, if you're going to apply being a Shopee Affiliate Ambassador, I have the registration link here. This one. Sorry, may spelling error tayo. So first, after you click this link, magpo-proceed to dito. Ayan, makikita nyo yan. Click nyo lang yung login, and then after that, you're going to input your username and password. If you have Shopee affiliate account na, then you can add na directly. If you don't have, then you can sign up. Or you can connect it on your Google account or Facebook account. Then after this one, enter now. Next slide. After ng pag-enter nyo, ito yung makikita nyo file. Ayan. So for this one, fill out lang. Ayan. So piliin natin yung individual. First name, dapat lahat, much better if lahat ng may red dito sa yung mga may asterisk sa gilid. Kailangan siyang makomplete. And then, email address, active email address for the verification code. And then, click lang natin yung next. After that one, ayan, yung website URL na active accounts nyo, input nyo rin dito. If you have different kind of accounts sa social media, much better, you're gonna add it here. And then, for the category and niche, kung ano yung gusto nyong i-share online, like if gusto nyo for for mga dress ang i-share nyo or about home, depende sa inyo. Pwede nyo rin siya i-add lahat na kung ano yung gusto nyong i-promote. And then this one, since individual, you can put blogger or social media. And then for this one, paano mo siya nakita? This is an additional income if you're 24/7, I don't know, if mahilig ka online lang, like scrolling Facebook, mas okay din na may side hustle ka like this one. Actually, malaking kita sa pag-affiliate if you're always sharing some links and active ka sa pag-posting. So, that's the only thing you need to do. So, and then after that, submit lang natin. Then, number 2, mga requirements na kailangan after the registration. Ito na yung after you sign up the account. You need a photo of your bank account. After na to siya. Kasi you need Shopee Pay for this one. If ever meron ka ng commission, then the amount that you get will be sent on your Shopee Pay account. And then 2 valid IDs, verified Shopee Pay account, yan. You need to verify that one. And then active social media accounts. That's the only thing you need, and also your time and effort. Number 4, paano mag-generate ng product link. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do that one. So let's proceed to my Shopee affiliate account. So first, we need to go to Shopee, like the regular Shopee. Yo sa mismo Shopee na page. So, I want to share about home appliances. And then, I'm gonna try this one. If you want yung mga mas mamahalin, or depende sa'yo, anong gusto mo. Yung mga sikat na trending, you can add naman yan. Like, if you want, kunwari ito. Ayan. Click nyo lang itong URL sa taas. Copy nyo lang yan. And then, pag andito na kayo sa face ng dashboard, sa dashboard ng account nyo as an affiliate. If you get approved, then you will get generated link here, custom link. And then you can paste it here. For this one, sub ID 2, sub ID 3, yan, you can add like, mostly yung nilalagay ko dito is yung name, mini rice cooker, and then I'm going to add like, remove lang natin to. Ayan. Wait, mini rice cooker. Ayan. Then you can add number. Ito kasing sub ID, ito yung in case na may magka-problem ka sa link na generated mo tapos hindi siya nag-appear, kunwari may bumili tapos hindi nag-appear sa ano mo, pwede mo siyang i-escalate sa customer service. Actually, yan yung nabasa ko last time. So, and then you can get the link. Then, this link, ito na link na yung pwede mong i-share online. And then, you just do it and copy, and then you can paste it on your Facebook accounts or, hey guys, dawa ka ng caption, da. Yan, like that. And then after that, pag generate mo, if ever may mag-click sa'yo, then you can, yan, you can see here. Yan, ito yung dashboard. Makikita mo siya, yung date, kung ilan yung nag-click, ayan. Diyan. Ayan. So, yan yun. Pwede ka dito sa dashboard. Pwede ka rin dito sa dashboard. Ito yung sa payment dashboard. And then, dito naman yung sa mga nag-click. Ito dito, ayan. Conversion rate, amount, income. And then, mga top 5 products mo rin dito na mostly na generate mo. Ayan. Then, dito din, ayan, makikita mo. Top 5 categories in Shopee Affiliate Program. So, ito yung pinaka mataas na sales sa Shopee. Hindi lang sa end mo to, but I think all affiliates. Ayan. Yan. Pwede ka mag-search dito ng content, ng item. Ayan. Sa home living, if yan yung bet mo na i-share sa online, then lahat home living kasi, di ba, mas mataas yung hatak niya. So, ayan. And then, after that one, yung billing, dito naman, ayan. So, ayan. Next tayo. So, saan pwedeng mag-promote ng links? So, as what I've said, you can share your links on your Facebook page, on your Facebook profile. You can share also on TikTok, even YouTube. If you have followings already, then you can share it on your Facebook, YouTube. Tapos, pwede ka rin mag-share sa mga groups like yung mga affiliation na sharing sa group. Make sure na mag-abide sa rules kasi mostly sa group ay nagkikik sila if posting ka lang ng links. You need to share like review sa products, and then at the end of the caption you can add this posting is an affiliate chuchuchu, mga ganyan na posting para hindi ka ikik. Kasi last time ako nag-post, naka-violate ako kasi hindi ko siya nalagay. Actually hindi ako nag-post mo actually sa wall, but nag-comment lang ako, like nag-share lang ako, tapos nilagay ko yung link directly. So, kaya yun, na-warningan ako. So, make sure lang na pag mag-share sa group talaga, always nyong ilagay na affiliated yung link na nilagay nyo for commission. So, ganun lang. May mga ibang group din na hindi talaga sila nag-a-approve ng links. Ayan. Yung sa akin, sa Facebook, sa personal Facebook account, sa TikTok, yung ano ko. Then, mostly, mga sinishare ko ay yung may review talaga ako, like yung ginamit ko talaga siya. So, kaya hindi ako masyadong everyday kasi busy din sa work. So, madalang lang siya. If meron akong mabili sa Shopee, then everything goes to affiliation na posting. So, ganun lang sinishare, di ba? At least kahit konti meron. Sayang naman rin if hindi i-post. Kahit anong product pa yan. Basta i-share mo lang. Ganun lang. Then if you want to do an ads, then you can do it. But it would cost you extra money. So yeah, that's it for now. If you have any question, then you can drop your question in my comment box. So thank you guys for watching and follow and subscribe.